Welcome to this short Aryaka webinar. My name is Jig Ruparel, and I will give you a brief introduction on integrating private and public cloud services into the Aryaka Networks platform. But let's start with a short overview of how Aryaka keeps your digital resources and global workforce connected on an optimized fashion. Aryaka provides an optimized network platform that unifies access to all sites in today's globally distributed enterprise. Whether these are branch offices or headquarter or data center or cloud services, Aryaka provides a quick access method to a global application delivery platform that not alone provides network capacity between all participating sites, but has natively embedded WAN optimization technologies that ensure application and user experience is similar as accessing a local resource, and this regardless of the distance in between the consumer of the application and its physical location, as well as the available last mile capacity. Do note, Aryaka service turnup also happens within hours. In today's world, organizations are looking to work with elastic compute and storage capacity that private cloud providers like Amazon Web Services offer. Similarly, organizations are also in need of elastic network capacity. Today, connecting to these offsite resources is done by establishing a standards-based IPsec VPN tunnel to the data center that the resources are hosted in. But more than often, due to the complexity of deployed distributed applications and cost, organizations choose to deploy in only one data center, which result in substandard application performance for the global workforce. Traditional internet problems like excessive latency and packet loss create a barrier for enterprise-wide rollouts of these elastic resources. In addition, most private cloud providers, while even in exponential growth, only have a limited number of data centers, and there are geographies that are underserved. Virtual appliances can be activated in the virtual private cloud, but these appliances were designed to resolve a congested last mile issue, which is clearly not the case at the data center end. And in addition, they do not resolve the network inefficiencies that emerge on the long-haul segment for remote users. To kind of talk about some of the long-haul challenges that you face for the remote users, on this slide you will find that we've got the speed of flight limitation challenge that we talk about. That is a real challenge that cannot be solved. It is the reason why you have long-distance latency. You couple that with TCP protocol that is very chatty in nature and very cautious, it's going to create an even bigger problem for your application performance. Aryaka is uniquely positioned to address all of these challenges. Aryaka can come to the rescue here and treats a cloud service provider as just another branch on your network. Existing offices that are connected to the Aryaka core network not only have optimized communication in between the offices, but they will have instant access to elastic resources of the private cloud provider. Aryaka can build a high-speed optimized path between the consumer/end user and the public cloud/SaaS provider within hours. All that is required of the customer is a simple DNS change. This connection will instantly provide TCP optimization, data deduplication functionality, ensuring the last mile connection at the branch is used to its full capacity, and latency and packet loss do no longer inhibit optimal application performance. In addition, Aryaka also provides some application proxies that further eliminate costly protocol exchanges over WAN infrastructure. In some cases, Aryaka has dedicated capacity into the private cloud provider's data center, such as Amazon Web Services, creating capacity guarantees from the provider all the way to the enterprise doorstep. Users accessing elastic resources now benefit from all the embedded WAN optimization technologies in Aryaka core, which effectively make resources appear local in terms of application performance. So what does it take to get connected? The process is very simple, as you would expect with a cloud service provider. It all starts with providing Aryaka with public IP addresses, DNS name, service and protocol that you would like to optimize. Our 24/7 NOC team will do some configurations on Aryaka core to prepare your public cloud or SaaS service to be accessed through Aryaka core for your customers and end users. Once this is in place, it is time to bring the service online. All you would do is take your public DNS domain record for the service you're pointing on Aryaka and replace its A record with a CNAME record, which now points to Aryaka DNS servers. Your users will then automatically get routed to the closest Aryaka POP to them, thus giving them high-speed optimized path to your public cloud or SaaS provider. You can observe these through our centralized management portal called My Aryaka, where you can not only see the performance improvement but also the application mix breakdown. I hope this webinar created the necessary insight into how Aryaka can connect a variety of sites and resources. For more questions, please visit our website at www.aryaka.com, aryaka.com, and that has a great deal of case studies as well as white papers you can look at, or you can also call our sales hotline at 1-877-727-9252 to speak to our WAN optimization professional. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.